the biggest advantages to direct sales is the ability to own your customer data. This is a huge asset for any business owner, and when appropriately utilized, can have tremendous benefits. So if you're not sure what that means or how it applies to your business, stay tuned. Today we're covering 3 ways to leverage customer data to your advantage. I'm sure we're all familiar with the phrase, work smarter, not harder. And understanding your customer data may be the key to unlocking the potential of that fun saying for your business. So before e-commerce integrations were readily available for entrepreneurs, selling through a third-party marketplace was one of the only ways to get your work out there. So at Lulu, for example, we offered our authors a way to sell their books through our bookstore. And this was, and for many people still is, a great way to get your work out there. But because of privacy laws, we can't tell you who's buying the book. Similarly, if you sell your books or tiny houses or Dr. Phil throw pillows through Amazon, you can't see who's buying them. You can see the sales, but you don't know where they're coming from. Things like Lulu Direct and direct-to-consumer solutions are changing all of that. So gone are the days of having to guess who's buying your products. Now, not only can you see who's buying your products, but you can also connect with them to establish meaningful relationships. And that sounds nice, doesn't it? So what kind of customer data can you collect through direct sales? Well, name, phone number, address, and email address for starters. And then of course, depending on your sales platform, you can also see your sales data and how much of each product you're selling. So that's a lot to take in, but what are you supposed to do with all those sweet, sweet deeds? Well, for starters, build out your email list. So if you've been around this channel for any amount of time, you probably heard us talk about the email list. So email is your direct connection with your customers. It's your direct line of communication. And so having a huge social media following is great, but social media algorithms, rules, and even ownership can change at any time. So having an email list that you're building and nurturing can really help insulate you from the whims of social media. Up next is identifying trends based on geographic locations. So as you're looking through your sales data, be sure to note any trends that might be related to a specific place or a region. So this can be really helpful if you are planning an event or maybe a book tour or anything like that. It will help you kind of pinpoint where you should set up those locations to stack the deck in your favor. So a real-world example of this is from Lulu authors and all-around awesome people, Stephen Brotherstone and Dave Lawrence. So they are the authors of the book Scarred for Life, and they have been doing live shows based on the content of that book. And before they plan their shows to make sure that they're going to the right locations, they'll review their sales data to see where most of their fans are and then plan shows in those areas. Last on our list is personalized support. So actually knowing who your customers are offers you a great opportunity to offer personalized customer support. So nobody wants to be treated like a number, so knowing the actual name of your customers can help you create authentic relationships and help turn them into repeat customers and foster long-term relationships. Those are 3 ways to leverage customer data to build your business. Which one worked for you? What did we miss? Leave it in the comments below, hit like, hit subscribe. We'll see you next time.